TikTok Lite follow back problem. So here we're gonna be discussing about the follow back problem. So first of all, there's a few reasons why it's not working. So the first reason is that the person did not actually follow you back. Yeah, consider that one of the option if the person is following you back. Second thing is that you are following way too many people back, and TikTok is restricting it that much following because you might be spamming or maybe a ghost account. So who knows? And the third thing is for this is when you're doing like a follow back, is that you may have what do you call this? You may have been blocked by that person. That's why it's not following back. So yeah, you can't follow back because you maybe have been blocked by that person. So that's one of the reasons. And the fourth is what do you call this? The fourth one is it may be a little bit late or a little bit delayed. It may not synchronize. So I suggest waiting it out for just a few seconds or maybe a few minutes. Restart the app. You can do that, and if it's still not there, you can contact the TikTok. You don't have to contact the support, but you have to wait, and or you can just type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll help you as much as we can. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no question, concerns, type it down in the question below, guys. Have to us as soon as possible, guys. See you guys on the next one, and there you go. See you guys on the next one, and thank you, guys.